Hi everyone, this is Fola. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I want you to join me as I set up this area. I'll show you the area. I set up this area for a garden themed bridal shower. So I already put up this. So it's just like bits and pieces, and they just put it together. It's really easy. Yeah, this background is definitely better, so I'm going to be using this background. So short. No presence can change me. Don't go back. Just so much I can do, I should call over. I need to marry. That was joy me before you see we should ask. I would be asking. I want a very favorable weather. In the name of Jesus, turn this almost gloomy weather into a sunny one. There's nothing you cannot do. In the name of Jesus, make today a success. We come against every accident of any kind, stink, bite, we come against it. But the people that this breeze, they let us be. In the name of Jesus, make it a very interesting, a very beautiful celebration. I don't even know how to go about it. I'm not, that's why I bring you to be at the center. Even though they want me to be the MC, they want me to decorate, but ultimately God, you are in charge. Wonderful, marvelous, how the works of my God. Great is God. How to tie your balloon. So you pick this mount and this mount. I don't like this balloon. I don't like the setting of this balloon. I do the one Jesus sent me to do.
The one Jesus sent you to do?
I do.
I've seen it. So this one, how do you want to set up this one? This is the...
It's simple. Put how many are
We can
we?
use this one for something.
Let's set like 8, 8. Let's do 4 here, 4 here. And then inside it, open this one and just put inside. That's all. I need to continue with my...
So 4 here. None on the edge. We'll put one for... Where is the...
We have to put that first.
Yeah?
The napkin. You have to put that first.
No, I'm setting up the plate first.
Yeah. So the plate, you have to put the napkin inside the plate before you put any other thing.
No, I'm not. We're not putting any other thing yet.
Oh, okay.
We're just doing... Come and tell us that I got your space.
Yeah. Just
Okay,
checking.
I'm trying it.
Yes, now. It's the content for me.
Like,
So this one's are for the...
It's for what?
I don't know. I'm sure it's doing something.
We necessarily do not need to use it. Yeah, I just bought it anyway. I just bought things I feel like we may need. And this. So you have to press this. Thank you.
oh,
Yeah.
okay. Oh, is this one? Okay.
Thank you. And then we put it back.
Yeah.
It was already in. It's fine. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much. Yeah. Was this girl charging us?
For rice and chicken for 55 pounds.
And this one for 10 people.
Listen, that.
And it's for 50.
Have you seen now? Planner. Yeah,
It was also so to look nice a bit. I can try it now. It's not, I'm telling you, it's not do anything.
It's not possible.
You can wear it beside. This is one of the simplest design I've done, but I've never done drape design before. It's not bad, Abby.
this one, where?
Ew. I thought it would be full by now.
Really, this is standing up.
I think you should collapse.